Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today. I came across this recipe and I knew I had to jump on here and share it with you guys. This banana bread is made with no egg, no grain, no refined sugar, no oil. I don't even know how it's this good, but you just gotta see for yourself. So let's get started.
I just wanna turn around, I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just wanna have fun, turn around now, I just want fruits, I wanna turn around, dance. I just want fruits, I wanna
Alright guys, so for this banana bread, you don't need very many ingredients. These are the things you're gonna need. Obviously, you're gonna need some bananas. Now, these bananas, notice how they're small and spotted. You wanna go for the small organic bananas because they just have like a sweeter taste. I know you're gonna wanna get the big bananas, but just try to get these ones. Next, you're gonna need tiger nut flour. If you guys have never seen tiger nut flour, you may think that this is a nut, but tiger nut is actually a small root vegetable. So this banana bread is also nut-free. You can find this at Sprouts or you can order it on Amazon. Next, you'll need some tapioca flour or arrowroot starch and some maple syrup. And lastly, to make these muffins rise, we're gonna be using some apple cider vinegar and baking soda. For the bananas, you're gonna need a cup, which usually is about 2 to 3 bananas. Mash them up into a puree, just so it'll be easier to mix everything together. You'll need 1 1/3 cups of this tiger nut flour. And you're probably wondering what is so special about this tiger nut flour. This bakes up so much better than coconut flour, cassava flour. Baked goods made with this come out so good, you guys. So go the extra step and try to find this. This is the tapioca starch. You're gonna sweeten this with 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup. You can adjust the sweetness too if you don't want these too sweet. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything up well. All right, I'm gonna be putting these into muffin tins today, but you could put this in a loaf pan or make mini muffins. What I like to do is just freeze these in Ziploc bags, and then whenever I want one, I pop it into the microwave for a few seconds, and I know that I'm gonna be having some good desserts at night. You know, with a bowl of fruits, like some frozen fruit. I also pop that in the microwave. I like the tropical fruit medley from Costco, and then I just have like the most wonderful late night snack. I put a little coconut cream on top, and life just doesn't get any better. Now you can make these with, you could have added like some cinnamon or walnuts. You can add anything to this. Coconut flakes. This is grease, and I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Halfway there, you can see them rising. Now we're just waiting for them to get nice and brown. All right, guys, they're ready. Look at that. Oh my God, the smell is intoxicating of banana. This is what they look like. Look at that. So excited to try one. They smell more stronger than regular banana bread. I don't know why. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh. Taste test time. This melts in your mouth. You don't even have to chew it. It is really strange. If you were to give this to someone and didn't tell them that it didn't have any sugar, flour, egg, they for sure would never know. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.